Good afternoon, Rabais. So next I will teach exercise 7.2 example sums. Okay. So first example 7.15. So you want to find the volume of cylinder whose height is 2 meter and base area is 250 meter square. So height is what they given 2 meter and base area of cylinder is 250 meter square. Clear? This one they given. Okay. So height is 2 meter. Okay. They given base area of cylinder they given us, sir. So base area means, so this is the base area of cylinder. This part is what, sir? Base area of cylinder. Okay. So this base of the cylinder is circle. Base of the cylinder is circle. So base area of cylinder we can take area of circle. Area of circle. So base area of cylinder I will take pi r square because base area of cylinder it is in the shape of circle. So I can take it is the area of circle. So we can take pi r square is equal to 250 meters square. Okay, va? So now height is equal to 2 and base area of cylinder. Right, sir? Base area means bottom, right? It is in bottom the shape of circle. So only I can take this pi r square is equal to 250. Then you want to find volume of cylinder. So volume of cylinder pi r square h, right? Cubic meter. Here unit is meter. So pi r square. What is the answer here? 250. So pi r square is 250. H is equal to 2. So we can get answer 500 cubic meter cube. So this is the volume of cylinder. Okay. Here they given base area. So we can take the base area is pi r square. Okay. Understand? Then volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So here pi r square they given 250. So take and substitute and h is equal to 2. We can get volume of cylinder. Clear? Okay. Next I will go for next example sum. Right, sir? So they given example sum. The volume of cylinder water tank liters they given. Right? If the diameter is 7 meter. Here they given meters. Here they given liters. Here they given meters. Diameter they given meter, but volume they given liter. Okay, so two also different unit. You want to change to same. Okay, and then we have to find the answer. Okay, now listen. Okay, here d is equal to how many meter? 7 meter. Then you want to find radius. So radius r is equal to d by 2. So here d is 7 by 2. We can get r is equal to 7 by 2 meter. Okay, radius is equal to 7 by 2 meter. And the next what they given? Volume of water in cylindrical tank they given. Right, sir? They given 1.078 into 10 power 6 liters. Okay, 10 power 6. You want to multiply 10 power 6. So 10 power 6 means we can add how many zeros? 6 zeros. We can add 6 zeros. And then how many numbers after key point? 3 numbers we can after key point. So we can get point here. So we can get 1078,000 liters. Okay, this is liters. Okay, here 10 power 6 means, right? We want to multiple, right? 10 into 10 into 10. Like that 6 times we want to write. So we want to add how many zeros? 6 zeros we can add. And the next you can keep how many numbers after? 3 numbers after point. So we can get this one liters. Right? These liters are having. Right, sir? But you want to change here meter because diameter they given meters. Right? Here you have liters. So this liter you want to change to meter cube. Liter you want to change to meter cube. So formula. Okay. Formula is 1000 liters equal to 1 meter cube. 1000 liters equal to 1 meter cube. You have how many liters? 1078,000 liters you have. Right, sir? These liters are you have. These liters you want to change to meter cube. So it is divided by 1000. 1078,000 divided by 1000. Next we can get 1078 meter cube. Okay, so liters we can change to meter cube. That is volume of cylinder. volume of cylinder is equal to, what is the answer? 1078 meter cube. Volume of cylinder, what is the answer? 1078 meter cube. So okay, given liters you want to change to meter. Okay, because what is the diameter here given? Meter. Volume they given liters. So this liter you want to change to meter. So okay, so now we can change to volume of cylinder in meter cube. Now what is the formula for volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder formula is by r square, h is equal to 1078. Okay, pi is equal to 22 by 7 and radius r is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, take and substitute 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H is not given, you want to find, equal to 1078. Okay, now 7 cancel and 1 7 is 7, level 2s are 22. Next you want to find height. Okay, then h is equal to 1078 into 2 by 7 into level. Okay, now we can cancel 7 table. So 1 7 is 7, 1 7 is 7, balance 3, 5 7s are 35, balance 2, 4 7s are 28. And then again divided by level, 1 level is level, 1 level is level, balance 4, 4 levels are 44. Then h is equal to 14 into 2. We can get h is equal to 28 meter. Clear? Okay. Given question, write as sir, volume in liters, but diameter given meter. Okay, two also different units. Right? You want to change to this liter, we can change to meter. Okay, so volume of cylinder they given. Right? We can get these liters. This liter we can change to meter cube. So 1000 liters equal to 1 meter cube. You have total liters, this one. We can change to meter cube, means we can get 1078 meter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. Okay, then we can find height. Clear? Substitute in formula, we can find the value of h. Okay, now this is over, and then go for next sum. Example 7.17. Okay, you want to find that volume of iron. It is the shape of hollow cylinder. It is the shape of hollow cylinder. Right? Height is 9 centimeter. Height is what? 9 centimeter. Internal and external. So internal is 21. So I can take internal small r is equal to 21 centimeter and external radius. I can take capital R is equal to 28 centimeter. Okay, internal radius I can take 21 and external radius I can take 28. Okay, now you want to find volume of hollow cylinder. So volume of hollow cylinder, pi h capital R square minus small r square cubic centimeter. Okay, now take and substitute. Pi is equal to 22 by 7 and h is equal to 9. Capital R is equal to 28 square. Small r is equal to 21 square. So 22 by 7 into 9. 28 square is 784. 21 square is 441. Right? We can get answer 22 by 7 into 9. We can subtract. So 4 minus 1, 8 minus. So we can get 343. So now divided by 7. 1 7 is 7. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. Balance is 6. So 6 7s are, 6 9s are 63. Okay. Now you want to multiple everything. We get answer. So 22 into 9. Right? 18 balance 1, 19. It is multiplied by 49. Right, sir? Multiple and write the answer. Okay. And then I will go for next sum. Okay, sorry, I will say the answer. Multiple. 72 balance 7, 81, 88 balance 8, 7, 32 balance 3, 36, 39 balance 3, 7, 2, 10 balance 1, 17, 8. Okay, we get answer 8702 centimeter cubed. Clear? Okay, next I will go for next sum. So here they given two cylinders, cylinder A and cylinder B, they given ra, right sir. So you want to find volume ra, which volume is greater, and verify second condition, if volume is greater then TS also greater or not, you want to verify and then find the ratio of volumes ra. Okay, so I can take cylinder A and cylinder B, I can take separate ra. Okay, cylinder A diameter is equal to 7, so D is equal to 7 centimeter, then radius R is equal to D by 2 ra. So we can get 7 by 2 centimeter, and height is equal to 21 centimeter. This is for cylinder A. And then cylinder B diameter is 21 ra, so D is equal to 21, then R is equal to D by 2, we can get 21 by 2 centimeter, and H is equal to 7 centimeter ra. Okay va? So all these one okay vada. Next you want to find that volume of cylinder A. Volume of cylinder A. So formula pi R square H ra. Okay, pi, right sir, pi is equal to 22 by 7 into R square ra. R is equal to what ra here? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H is equal to 21. H is equal to 21 ra. Okay, we can cancel 7 7 cancel, and 1 2 is 2 level ra. Okay va? And then we can multiply everything, we can get answer 808.5 centimeter cube ra. This is the volume of cylinder A. Okay va? Then next you want to find the volume of cylinder B. Okay, volume of cylinder B, radius equal to 21 by 2, H is equal to 7 ra. Okay va? So find volume of cylinder B ra. Volume of cylinder B. Okay, what is the radius? 22 by 7 into radius equal to 21 by 2 ra. 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into H is equal to 7. So 7 7 cancel, 1 2 is 2, right? Next we can get answer 2425.5 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder B ra, right? So volume of cylinder A, what is answer? 808.5 centimeter cube, and volume of cylinder B 2425.5 centimeter cube, right? Which volume is greater? Okay va? So volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A, right sir? Volume of cylinder B is greater than volume of cylinder A. Okay, first condition okay va? Then next you want to verify, what is that verify? You want to verify greater volume has greater TSA. So if volume is greater means then the TS also greater or not, you want to verify it. Okay, so first I can find TS of cylinder. TS of cylinder formula 2 pi r into H plus R. Okay va? Cylinder A I can find ra. Okay, cylinder A radius equal to 7 by 2. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 7 by 2. H is equal to 21 ra. So 21 plus radius equal to 7 by 2 ra. Okay va? So we can get answer 7 7 cancel, 2 2 cancel ra. So 22 into here denominator 1. So you want to take cross multiple ra. Okay va? You want to take cross multiple, so we can get 42 plus 7 by 2. Right sir? Next 1 2 is 2, level 2 sir 22 ra. So level into 49, level into 49, we get answer 539 centimeter square. So this is the volume of cylinder A, sorry, TS of cylinder A. Next you want to find TS of cylinder B ra. So cylinder B 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, cylinder B radius is what ra? 21 by 2. H is equal to 7 plus here 21 by 2, right? 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21, 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So 66, right sir? Here denominator 1 ra, take cross multiple, 14 plus 21 by 2. Okay, we can cancel here 33. So 33 into, we can add 35 ra. So we can get answer 1155 centimeter square. So this is the TS of cylinder A and this is the TS of cylinder B. Okay va? So you want to verify what sir? Greater volume has greater TSA. It is clear, Ada? greater volume has greater TSA. It is verified or not. Okay va? So what is the volume of cylinder B? B is greater ada. So here also TS of B is cylinder. Okay va? So it is verified. Right sir? It is verified ada. So what is verified? If greater volume has greater TSA, right sir, is verified. Verified ada, because volume of B is volume of cylinder B is greater, and then same one, right sir, volume of cylinder B is greater ada, and then here TS of cylinder also greater. So only I can take greater volume as a greater TSA is verified. Right? Next you want to find the ratio of their volumes. Right? So volume of cylinder A by volume of cylinder B. Okay, so volume of cylinder A is, what is the answer? Volume of cylinder A. So volume of, wait, so volume of cylinder A is 808.5 by volume of cylinder B 2425.5. Right? You want to find the ratio of cylinder A and cylinder B. Okay, here we can multiply by 10 because you want to cancel the point. So we can get 8085 by 2425. Okay, so we can cancel 1 times here, 3 times. So we can get 1 by 3. The ratio is 1:3. So this is the ratio of their volumes. So what is the ratio of their volumes? Ratio of their volumes. Ratio of their volumes is equal to 1:3. Okay, vada. Okay. Thank you, guys.